going to talk about how to use the Chimney of Insanity together with the BBQ Dragon Fan to start charcoal in 2 or 3 minutes, ready for cooking. So the most important tip right from the start is use your chimney up on top of your grill or on a metal side shelf. Don't use the chimney down inside the grill, because then your fan is going to draw in hot air and that's going to damage your fan. So let's get started. First thing you need, charcoal. I'm going to go ahead and start a full chimney. I've got a big cook with some corn and some ribeyes coming up. So I'm going to need all this. Nice and full. Now, what you do for the fastest use of this chimney is you put 2 half sheets of newspaper, wadded up pretty tight, down inside the bottom hole right there. Moving it close so you can see those there. And we're going to light those. Now, the trick to making the chimney start the charcoal in just 2 or 3 minutes is that as soon as you've lit that newspaper, go ahead and aim in the BBQ Dragon. Aim it right inside there. So you see how the BBQ Dragon's drawing in cold air? That'll keep it safe. And listen to the roaring jet sound as that forces super hot air up underneath the charcoal. I'm going to set my watch right now so we can see how long it actually takes in this trial. But I can tell you, come back in 2 minutes when you're doing this. Don't leave it longer. I'll see you in a minute. All right, that is 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and the flames are roaring out of the top of that chimney. I might give it another 15 seconds or so, but it doesn't need any more than that. Most of those charcoals are going to be white and ready to dump down in here for my grill. And you can feel the heat really coming off this thing. I had the BBQ Dragon turned up at full speed, put it in immediately after I lit the charcoal, 2.5 minutes. Here we go. I'm going to pull the BBQ Dragon off. And that is a charcoal chimney that is about ready to cook. Now, I'm going to actually set it here on my side shelf while I remove the grate. I'm going to do my cook in a 2-zone configuration, so I'm dumping most of this charcoal over on one side of the grill. So there we go. That's a pretty good start there for my charcoal. I'm ready to cook. So that's how I use the Chimney of Insanity. Less than 3 minutes. What was that? 2.5 minutes. And we had that charcoal ready for cooking. And there's no other way faster than that. Make sure you use it up on top of the grill. That's the Chimney of Insanity from BBQ Dragon.